Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we're opening Miniverse, Make It Mini Food. This is the Halloween series. There's only 3 in this series. There's the pumpkin spice latte, pumpkin pie, and caramel apples. And there's Halloween themed tables inside. I don't know, but they're all different, the tables. So you'll know by looking at the table if you have a duplicate or not. So this is what it looks like. It's very cute. I can already see the table. It's so cute.
First, let's do the table.
Look how adorable that is.
The spider.
Let's see everything that comes in here. Where's the table stand?
Oh, that's
love
so
it.
cute.
It's black.
I love that.
Spider web. How cute.
I have mine.
I don't know
Okay.
which one we got.
We also have the world's smallest checklist. Hold on.
That's cute.
Those are the 3 options.
Yep.
I'm assuming it's this one, right? Because
Yeah.
it's got the
I'm feeling the
table, maybe? All right, let's open them and see.
Yes, I know.
Oh, it is. And here's the little thing that goes in the pie. It says boo. And even the packaging is the whole Halloween colors.
Oh,
It's so cute. We have pie crust.
Oh,
that's cute. This is our pie stand.
I think the whipped cream like comes out of the bottom. Not sure.
It's the top. Oh my gosh. Filled to the brim, too, of whipped cream.
That's adorable.
It's a pumpkin. For
Aww.
those little things that like go on the top.
Oh, for the top for this.
That's cute.
To put on there. That's cute.
Okay.
Also have a little thing to put on here.
Oh, and here too.
And then, this is probably the pumpkin pie resin. And it's in a can just like the alphabet soup was. That's adorable. So here are the instructions. Very easy. You just dump a bunch in there and, I guess you could use the tongs to kind of center that. I'm probably just going to hold it outside because it's real sunny currently. And then you're going to add a little bit more after that bottom cures and then put some whipped cream on it. So let's try it. Alright, let's take our pumpkin pie out.
Okay, I'm just gonna...
Do you want to open the little boo decoration?
Oh, yeah.
This should just twist off.
I like, oh,
And
yeah.
it
like
does.
those
Ooh.
here.
I love that. It's even like textured like actual pumpkin pie.
Ooh,
There's like brown little specks in it, like nutmeg. That's so cute. They did give us a little, what you call that?
Cap?
Pie server. I was hoping we didn't need to dig that out, but maybe we will. Should have gave us a spoon. Because it's thick, you could tell. Very
Do you want me
thick.
to get a spoon?
No, we don't want to use like an actual spoon.
No, like a tiny spoon.
Oh.
I saw one the other day.
I could just use the tongs probably. You could get a napkin out though.
Finally, I got the booting.
Yeah, so that's a lot thicker.
My booting was
Look
really
how cute
hard.
that is.
Oh, that looks like 2 good fingernails on it.
This is so
That it would have been nice.
creative.
Ooh, it's already so
Finally,
blue.
they're
That's
not just
so
normal
adorable.
So this doesn't have anything to stick to, so I'm just gonna hold it like this outside, make sure it's straight, and then I'll be back when it's cured. And that, I'm gonna add some more of this, which is kind of hard to do because the thing's in the way. Oh no, I just got some on the side. Should probably be using a spoon, so you don't do that.
Hope ours will still turn out better.
These are so cute.
Maybe I'll try to pour it from the back.
Yeah, or more softer, JB.
I know. Okay, so I added some more. I don't want to fill it too much, but they had like 1 on each side of the sign. Maybe to kind of cover where the sticks are.
Yeah,
And
you
then
should
one's
have.
in the middle. Like that.
Okay. Now you have a little pumpkin where you can put it into it and mess it up, but it would be cute.
Oh, that would be cute to stick that somewhere.
If we get a duplicate, we
Here
can
we
do
go.
Yeah, in the middle.
Let's go set her. All right, it's all cured. It's so cute. Then we're gonna put it on here. And that's what it looks like. If you want to see us open the other ones and see which other ones we get, make sure to check out our channel. Bye guys.